Hey guys, I'm leaving to West Palm Beach. It's like 6 o'clock right now. Heading out there because my cousin asked me to go to see an opportunity, which I'm going to. And also I'm going to a car meet after that, so, and probably eat Subway with my beautiful wife. Alright, let's go. Alright guys, this is how dead I am. Look, I was driving, right? And look, I don't know if you guys can see. Where is it at? Look at that, I fell. Damn, it's not coming on. Let go. On the Annie's, yum, yum. Subway that we went to, they had no more bread. What the? Crazy, right? No more bread. Babe's in front of me, going to another Subway. Alright guys, we're here at Subway. It's raining like crazy. But anyways, it says we have 15 minutes of parking. You know I'm not gonna be there for 15 minutes. I'm gonna be there 16 minutes. But anyways, I'm gonna eat and I'm gonna be back and oh. Alright guys, just got out the car meet. It was pretty dead in there. Wasn't that big, but hopefully tomorrow I could show you guys like a better car meet, you know. But anyways, right now I'm going home. I have an hour drive, kill me, but anyways, I'll just check you guys tomorrow. Alright, I have like a surprise tomorrow, you guys, so hope you guys will like it. Hey guys, what's up? Amazing, it just happened. Hey, smile. You guys ready? You guys ready for this? Bam! They're finally here. I ruined you guys. Hey. So happy. Super happy. Those rims. Can't wait to open them and see how they look. Oh my goodness. I'm in love. Oh. Oh my goodness. Ready? You guys ready? Damn. Super clean. Yeah. See how it looks. It's the same size. I think it's the same. Don't you think? Look. The inside. You got food there? Which one? Food? You went to spare it? She's running. Oh my god. Finally. My baby looking clean after this. After this paint job and then it's done. Phase 1. Alright guys, we're getting out of work. See? Closing the store right now. Finally we're out of work. Been there for like 20 hours. I don't know why. Alright, let's go. Alright guys, we're in a car meet right now. This is like every Friday. Oh, this is where the live part happens. Look at that already. Burnouts already, boys.
It's crazy. Like seriously? That's how crazy it is. Dennis, you gonna do it?
Right here, right here. He better. He said he's gonna do it. And Miguel's gonna do it too.
Who's Menaces?
Top. Kill it, kill it.
Yo, who's smoking in here?
Yo, Chico life.
Let go, let go, let go! Bro, ready for you, bro!
That spoiler's about to fly off, G.
Is that Nick? Come on!